Ever since I planted the cucumber like this, it grows faster and produces much more fruit. Cucumber seedlings are planted when the temperature exceeds 18 degrees Celsius without frost. Let's plant cucumber seedlings. Cucumber seedlings are planted in loose, fertile soil rich in humus. Slightly acidic to a neutral reaction. pH values 6 to 7. I make a hole 15 to 20 centimeters deep and wider than usual planting. I put fresh leaves in the hole. You can also put grass clippings. Fresh leaves or grass warm the soil and retain moisture. I cover with a thin layer of humus. I pour water because I want to get moisture in the root zone. I need a plastic bottle which I drilled on one side in several places near the bottom. I place the cucumber seedling upright in the hole. I put a perforated plastic bottle in the hole next to the plant. I turn the drilled side towards the root. Press gently around the plant so that there are no air pockets. I will fill the bottle with water. In this way, the plant gets moisture exactly where it needs to be, in the roots. Water every 2 to 3 days as needed. Warm soil, constant moisture, and direct nutrition. That's why the cucumber grows faster and produces more fruits this way. Once in 10 days, I water with nettle solution. It provides additional nitrogen and potassium for growth and fruiting. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment. Thanks, friends.